Yan ang sinasabi ng Bible that the prayer of the righteous man is powerful and effective. Paano ka naging righteous? Si Abraham believed God and it was credited to him as, sabi ng Bible, righteousness. Hindi dahil nagahit si Abraham ng bungot niya kaya siya naging righteous. He believed the promises of God. Kaya siya naging righteous. Anong pumali Lord sa kanya? Leave your father's house and go to a place that I will show you. Abraham naging friend of God. He became righteous by receiving the word, standing upon it, and acting upon it. Natuwa si Lord kay Abraham. Sabi pa ni Lord, magtatago ba ako ng lihim kay Abraham? That time, pinaplano niya na sirain ang Sodom and Gomorrah. Suddenly, i-reveal niya kay Abraham. Yun ang prayer ha, may plano kung sirain. Anong gagawin mo? Nanalangin ngayon si Abraham. Lord, sisirain mo ba? Nag-plead siya, nag-intercede siya, knowing the plan of God and the promises of God.